How to draw some lines between vertices and connect them. Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show a challenge someone asked me. The challenge was presented something similar to this. I don't know the exact construct of the object, but the concept is the same. Two different objects and you're trying to connect them by drawing. So initially the challenge was presented with a drawing. So I'm going to solve it first this way and then I'm going to show you a different approach. So the first idea is we go to drawing and we draw an object between, I want to make sure I see the green dot, so I'm snapping to the vertex and I'm going to snap it to this vertex here as well. So in SelfCAD you can draw on straight lines, but as you can see I didn't snap it correctly. So I have to basically focus here, see it. It's hard to see. Now I see the green dot, I snap it. In case you make a mistake, you can later use the snap tools to adjust it. But for now, I do it like this and I snap here and then I snap here. So something like this was presented. Okay, so what I have over here is on the simple assumption, if you look at this is a polygon. You have filled in the remaining lines. So if you look at it, you have the line here and the line here, and then the challenge is to fill them with full polygons, and this obviously will not work. So first of all, you see it's detected as a 3D. If it shows this switcher, convex or concave, that means it's 3D because this is not 100% flat. So it already removes some limitations, but also it cannot be filled. It's not going to be filled. So what is the problem? The problem here is that this drawing does not consider the points from the object, and you cannot merge them. If you take these two together and you click merge or Ctrl+M to merge them, it will give a message that you can only merge meshes or just profiles, but not both of them together. So you cannot combine them, and thereby these are two completely separate objects, so you're missing a line. So the two ways to solve them. One way is you can simply draw in the remaining. So if you do like this and you go back to drawing and you create a new drawing, I mean just fill in the drawing, you have to make sure this is checked so it draws the same profile, and you just draw in this remaining here, this line that it's missing. Same thing over here, you draw this line that it's missing, and then you just go to fill polygons, and now it should work. So now it's filled, okay? Although this is a 3D polygon, because you can see here there's a slight bend, so they're actually not an exact flat, but in such a simple thing, SelfCAD has no problem filling 3D polygons as well in this case, so this works. The other way is, as you can imagine, is just copying, using copy paste. So I've undone what I've done, so now I'm going to switch to this profile, and sometimes if you have more complex profiles, this is easier. You simply select this edge, go to edge mode, select this edge, copy it, Ctrl+C, or go to the copy tool, select these two, merge them, Ctrl+M, and so merge. If you see it remove the vertices, the edges, you know it's merged. Otherwise, you know this is not snapped. And as I said, there's an option in the snap tool. You can always snap it later if the drawing is difficult to snap it. But now you're going to see the same thing. You can go to fill polygons, and we can fill it. Okay, so it seems apparently I did not snap it correctly here. Something is wrong. So as you can see, something here is not attached here. So I have to make sure now to snap them or remove duplicates. Something here is not correct. I can check what is not correct simply by clicking here, isolating this vertex, and I see I've selected one vertex. So in this case, this is correct. If you see, let's uncheck this, go here, you see I've selected one vertex, so this is correct. If you go here, I've selected two vertices. So this apparently is not done correctly. So I can just snap them together, snap, and I can go to this option, collapse vertices, and collapse them to one place. And now I gotta remove duplicates. So it's a little bit more, requires more options. I mean, more work. Remove duplicates, I remove it. You see it removed one edge, one vertex. So now I want to check if this is correct. So if I go on again to vertex mode, I select here, we have here also two vertices, so this is also not correctly. So it looks like this line that I copied somehow was not 100% snapped to it or something like that, so I'll have to fix that as well. Collapse vertices, and I'm going to snap it here, and I should have checked it before, so now I have to go again remove duplicates, and you could have done it just once, not twice. But anyways, we removed again a vertex, okay? So something here was wrong. But now if I go to fill polygons, this will work again. Okay, so now let me show you the other way around. So I'm going to delete this and remove this, and I'm going to show you what you can do with edit details. So I can go with edit details. It's going to do the same concept, but it's life much easier. So I can go to the draw mode and I can draw a face. And now I can simply draw in this face. It gives me even this guide, but I don't want to snap to this guide. So I'm going to make you see the yellow line. I'm snapping my own way. And now I'm tracing it. Same thing over here. And then I'm doing it like this. You can see I have a face here. So this basically is filled in like this automatically. And I think I didn't follow it exactly. Yeah, so actually it's found it automatically. If I want to do a face over here, it filled in this line. I didn't even have to draw it. And this has, you know, many options. I'm not going to go into edit details, all of the options in this video, but this basically has everything you want to draw. So instead of going to a profile the way we did it before, going to a profile, retracing the initial line or copying them, making sure they snap together, you know, you have the complete profile. You could just work with the mesh itself and go to edit details and use the drawing over there, which is basically the same thing. In most cases, it's easier and has a lot more options. So both of them will work. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show anything else. Have a great day. Bye.